Hey guys, it's Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my lapel microphone that I absolutely love. Now this little microphone, it's small, but it's very powerful, and I love that. It picks up a lot of sound, and it also avoids those noises that you want to eliminate. It's got the wind guard, which does a great job minimizing outdoor noise, and it's got this heavy duty clasp that secures the microphone to either a lapel or a dress shirt. It works great. And on the other end, you have the gold-plated 3.5 millimeter input. So let me show you how it works. I typically just clasp it onto my shirt right here. And on the other end, I insert it into the jack for the microphone. And there, whenever I'm doing online teaching or I'm doing like a Zoom conference or anything of that sort, I have my microphone and everyone can hear me loud, clear, and it's absolutely perfect. I love it, and that's my point of view.